Okay, so this is a little bit of a fiddly question. Equation of time already fairly challenging, and this one even harder than normal. So let's get into it. The first thing we need to do is look at this date, the 15th of December, and we can spot from there the 15th of December is this point right here. So the equation of time on that day is +5. So let's make a note of that straight away. And let's draw a diagram as well to help us out. So this is a picture of the UK. Please don't laugh. And we have two important places. We have London, and then we also have our location, which is 2.5 degrees east. So let's think what things we can label on there. Well, if we look back, let's actually label our EOT first of all. That's the same for everybody. So let's do it in red. EOT on this day is +5 minutes. Okay, so at our location, sundial reading is 1400. So the AST is equal to 1400. And we also know that in London, it was 1342. So the MST in London was 1342. Okay, we can use our equation of time to actually figure out what the MST was here. So our equation is MST equals AST minus EOT. So we've got 1400 minus 5, so 1355. What we then need to think about, though, is this thing, they're introducing it in the question, which is like really annoying. MST corrected. And what does that mean? Well, it means if you were in this location, you actually want to know, well, what's the time in London? Well, you'd look and go, well, I'm 2.5 degrees east of London. 4 minutes is 1 degree. So 2.5 degrees is 10 minutes. So that means I am 10 minutes ahead of London. So if I'm showing the mean solar time to be 1355, in London, it's 1345. And that's perfect, right? Or is it? Because these two numbers should match. I calculate that the time in London is 1345, but London say it's 1342. And that's where this little equation up here comes from. So corrected sundial time, well, I've corrected it. I've corrected it in two ways, right? I've corrected it with equation of time and I've corrected it with my longitude. But GMT is showing 1342. So the accuracy of the sundial is 3 minutes, which means that basically, like, even when I've corrected it, it's still not going to give me exactly the correct value. The accuracy is 3 minutes.